Tend tugo mar Tong-Il-Moo-Doo e pachoka endi onyiso luoro ni kidek kumgi e bago tukego e pachoka endi bang' chenro mar bago tukego bare e thuolo mar ariyo Mombasa. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche gikoni tuke mokwongo mane onego tim dwe mar 8 ne obare bang' piny owacho e bwo migawo mar tuke rem chwalo omenda mag bago tugo no endo. Piemno mane onego chakre kendo tarik 15 e kaunti ma Mombasa ne ochako bare kendo bang' piny owacho rem chwalo omenda e thuolo mar ariyo. Kata obedo ni jotugo mawuok e pinje mopogore to ne osechopo ka endie koikore mar tugo.
Yet, and we are now pleading to the president to take control and rescue the situation, because as we speak right now, we are on the verge of being banned by the World Tong-Il-Moo-Doo Federation from ever hosting another event. So, as we speak right now, we have participants who have already arrived from India, Japan, Paraguay, Uganda, and we are expecting more teams to be jetting into the country. But we are, however, also having challenges convincing them to come because we have not brought in our event officials who are supposed to manage the event. And they come from the same country, so when we do not bring the officials in, the players also have question marks whether the event is on or not.
It's really frustrating that we are not given that opportunity to keep on motivating girls on board to learn self-defense, because it's through this game that I was able to pull a lot of girls to learn self-defense.